Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports, where we tell you regarding the shipping information in day-to-day maritime business. So, news as on January 5, 2021 was the fishing vessel had drifted deep in the Pacific Ocean and 10 crew were missing. Contact was lost with an Taiwanese longliner Young Yu Sing No 18 since December 30 in North Pacific northwest of Hawaii. On January 1, Honor contacted Fisheries Bureau, Coast Guard and the National Rescue Command Center asking for assistance. NRCC deployed US plane. On January 2, Young Yu Sing No 18 was spotted some 600 nautical miles northeast of Midway Islands, adrift and seemingly abandoned. Lifeboat is also missing, so probably 10 crew left the vessel on a lifeboat. From the looks of her, she was damaged in an collision, most likely during nighttime. Crew might panic and abandon her. Search for missing crew continues. Tuna longliner Young Yu Sing No 18 IMO 8446579 tonnage 99 built 2001 flag Taiwan. If you like this information, do share with your friend and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.